Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is, I'm just saying. Well, I got kind of irritated this morning when the wife texted me and said that the bus driver had left her when she was less than 5 feet from stepping into the door. And this is the second time he did it. He did it on Monday. He left her, and yesterday she had to go to a doctor's appointment, so she didn't go to school yesterday, and today she went to get on the bus and he left her. A week or so ago, he actually showed up at our doorstep and, quote, as far as I'm concerned, threatened the fact that if he saw her walking with a cell phone in her hand, he was going to leave her. And today, she didn't have a cell phone in her hand, but I guess he felt that she was taking her time, her sweet time, getting on the bus. So the wife has already contacted the school system, and they've promised to take care of this situation. So I'm going to be waiting to find out if it is actually solved. But when you have a person who takes it into their own hands to actually come to a parent's house, not being represented, not representing the school system, but representing himself, that kind of crosses a line. And as far as I'm concerned, his jurisdiction is not outside the bus. It is inside the bus. He is hired to drive that bus by the community because we are paying school taxes that pay him. And I want to find out if there's anyone else out there in my friends that either have had this happen before, or what they would do if they were in my position. Because if it happens again, I'm going to be finding out where this person lives. So, and it's not going to be a good outcome. So the whole situation irritates me, that it's not being handled through the school system like it's supposed to be. This individual is taking it on himself to try and resolve whatever the issue is. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please comment, and we will catch you on the next. I'm just saying.